Online widgets are animated pictures that can be added from the magic box in the main toolbar. Find the icon with the cloud and the down arrow. You can select from nature, daily necessities, sports, and animals. By default, all categories are selected. To turn off specific categories, touch or click on that category to gray it out. Use the over arrow or click on the numbers to see more selections. When you're ready to add an icon, touch and click and drag it onto the canvas. Once on the canvas, you'll notice little icons beneath the picture that animate them. Just like videos, these cannot be activated unless you activate presentation mode or play mode. Once activated, you can click on the icon to have it animate.